My name is Jesse the Tray. I'm the proud owner of the Tray Construction. My team and I are fully committed to capturing your unique style and showcasing it on your next exterior project. A problem that I've come to find with homeowners is that they just can't visualize the project. They just can't see it done. They're nervous to pull the trigger because they think they're going to spend a bunch of money on something and then end up hating it, or it not being everything they hoped it would be.
Throughout the process, we had renderings made that allowed us to visualize and communicate again our vision with Jesse and team, and they were really on point, allowing us to make sure that we were both on the same page, but also making sure that we were getting that final aesthetic and our kind of overall mission.
With our ability to use state-of-the-art technology to 3D render your home right in person with you, we're going to work it out detail by detail by detail until we know exactly what you're looking for and you know exactly what you're going to get. Our commitment is that we're going to help you really capture your vision for this siding project or windows or your front door. It really means the most to us that we know that the products and services that we're providing are going to stand the test of time. We are dedicated to the completion of your project. We don't start another project until we've finished one. Whether the conditions are going to be in the rain or snow, we're always here, we're always there. You're going to look out your window and you're going to rest assured that your project is getting done in a timely manner. When you're working with us, you're going to feel that sense of collaboration, that you are in control, that you're driving the car and we're here just to be the gas in the engine to get you there. It's not every day that you're going to see a group of guys that care as much as we do. We're not a big company. You know, at the end of the day, we can only service so many people. So those people that we service, we're going to give our everything to. We're going to make sure that what they're asking for is being met. Our aim is always to exceed that expectation, and that's craftsmanship. That's what we do. That's who we are, and that's what we stand for.
I saw Jesse and his crew working across the street from me, and I was really impressed with the craftsmanship and the quality. They did some siding, they did some window trim, they did really a whole house exterior job over there, and I was so impressed with them that I sought Jesse down and said, please give me your business card because I have some work to be done as well. And he's come to my house to replace some windows, and he's just done a wonderful job here. Very clean, very conscientious, quality work all the way around.
It's the third project that we've done on Tray Construction, and certainly probably not our last one. If the quality wasn't there, they wouldn't be continuing on with us. But it's exceeded all of our expectations. They have more attention to detail than we do, and that's saying something, so it's been fantastic.
Our work is worth its weight in gold. When you hire us, it's an investment in the equity of your home. We leave our mark. Give us a call at 315-879-0902 and let us help you get the confidence you need to kickstart your next exterior project.